Hey everyone! So today we're working on a 16 by 20 oval canvas, and we're just going to do a measuring cup pour. This measuring cup is split in the middle, so we may get some different effects than as if we were just pouring straight color out. But I am using no silicone today, and I'm just going to put some black base down in the middle so it has something to flow on. And that way we can stretch it out over the sides as well. So, colors I'm using are the Moody Blue Shimmer from the Barrage Posse paint line. If you're interested in getting my paints, just give me an email at ChristinaWelchArt@yahoo.com. This is our Gold Rush. Morning Pansy Shimmer. Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. It's a gorgeous color. And of course just standard white. And this is Creative Inspirations white. Titanium white. Okay, so I'm going to move this over just a smidge. I'm already stuck to the canvas, or stuck to the pad. So you can watch me pour that in there. Okay, so I don't want white in first, but I do want white incorporated somewhere, and it'll probably be with these two colors here, the turquoise and the gold. So I'm going to start with the Moody Blue Shimmer. And then on top of that, here's where I'll do the Sleeping Beauty Turquoise. I'm going to try to do 2 layers of color. So we'll do a little bit of white. I'm going to have paint all over my hands today. I'll follow that with the gold. I like to pour on that mound because then it kind of pushes the color down. And then we'll do some purple. Morning Pansy. These colors are so pretty when they dry. I'll go back to the paint, or the Moody Blue. Always want to say Payne's Gray. Sleeping Beauty. White. Gold. This is Gold Rush. This Gold Rush is beautiful when it dries. It's very shiny and sparkly. And then we'll do some Morning Pansy, and we're going to end with the Moody Blue. The Moody Blue against the black, we won't really notice it as much, but when it's incorporated inside with the other colors, it should give us a great effect. So remember, no silicone. Let's see what happens. It's very rare for me to not use silicone. Alright. So I'm just going to get this more in the middle here. Oops, I see a little something. I'm trying to use up all my base paints because they've been sitting a while. Oh, maybe not. Okay, here we go. So I might be doing some little back and forth things too. Today is kind of a play with paint day. I have a lot on my list to do, but I wanted to crank out a couple of videos and then get to work. So you want to catch your drip, and I missed it. I got it right there. Let's see if I can take it off. Sometimes you can get it off like erasing it with your glove. And then I'll just fix that a little bit. Okay, let me give that a quick torch. Now remember, no silicone. We'll see what happens. Move things way out of the way. So what I'm doing now is just stretching it out. To see what I like and what I don't like. I love this here. This is pretty here. But I think I'm going to go this way. I'm not sure I like that middle. So, before I go any farther, I'm going to put just a small ring pour in the middle. Very small. Sometimes you just have to catch it before you stretch it, because if you're not liking it just by looking at it, you're not gonna like it when you stretch it out. And I'm very picky lately. Probably when I see 60 paintings over there that need to be varnished, you start getting really picky about canvas size and composition. Okay, I'll probably not use all this, but you never know. All right. Catch that drip. Caught it. Alright, another torch. Some lots of air bubbles. I wish I wouldn't lose that, but I don't think I'm going to be able to save it. Alright, so let's come this way first. I'm going to have a lot of runoff, which is fine. I'll be picking it up for skins, because it's pretty already. See, my goal is to get that black off, because that's just there to help us run. So we did get some pretty cells, and I'm assuming it's from the gold and the white. I'm going to bring this all the way up and stretch that completely out. So I may even pick up some tiles. This is really pretty runoff. I'm not liking this band of white through here. I know that some of it will sink. I'm going to stretch it more this way. We may end up losing all of that. I really like that. But I want that white to open up a little bit. Alright, let me leave it right there. It's not moving very much right now. Pretty cool through here. I didn't want to lose that. I really didn't want to lose that bottom either, but I still have this here. I don't really like those big cells in there. All these air bubbles, which will bring me some more little cells. Maybe if I hit that with the torch. Bring some color up through that white. I'm about 6 inches away from the canvas, so I'm not burning any paint. Just heating it up. Warming it. So it did bring up a lot of little cells through the white, which is kind of cool, and I'll show you that up close. Let me just clean up my edges here, and that way I won't drip all over the place. So I got you here. And these are all the little cells popping up through there, which is kind of cool. I'm really loving this spot right here. I'm going to leave it right there and see what else develops. I have some beautiful runoff to pull tiles and some skins, and I think that's going to be it for this one. So subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. Make sure you click all, and please make sure you're subscribed if you've been watching, because some people have been telling me they're not subscribed anymore. So it must be when YouTube went in and cleaned house. They unsubscribed a lot of our viewers, and we're just waiting for everybody to come back. Also, check out my Amazon shop for your paint pouring supplies. If you want to get my paints, email me at christinawelchart@yahoo.com, and I can send you the swatches, or you can join our group on Facebook, Parage Posse with Christina Welch, and all the information is in that group. I also have an art page on Facebook, Christina Welch Art, and you can see it there as well. I have it posted there as well. So, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye now.